I'm Kelly Thompson. I am the shipping receiving manager, and I've been here since January 2014. I help oversee basically all materials that are coming into Chief and final product leaving Chief. Of course, receiving's bringing everything in, all the materials, making sure everything is what it's supposed to be, accurate counts, and it works its way down to the end of the shop, and shipping gets it out as soon as we can. Definitely the planning. As soon as that order is going into the system, say it's a large project, say a CB45, we know it's going to be 20 loads. We know about how much weight needs to be on each trailer, and we're planning within just a few days after that order goes in the system. Not only that, but as soon as it starts going through the shop, we're having meetings every day. We're talking about these, when's it going to go, how quickly can we get it through the shop, and we get it done sometimes 2 weeks ahead of time. I think a lot of people have no idea what planning goes into it, especially say me and Aaron are sitting in front of Load Builder. We're building those loads. We're coming in every single day, working on Load Builder, seeing what's done and trying to put loads together just to put work in front of our team. Another thing that I don't think people know about is how often things change. We can be focused on one project and then say something happens, a slight delay, or they just aren't willing to take it yet, and it changes everything about what we're doing back there. We can have several loads staged already, and we just totally have to change gears and go a different way, and we do it well. That's where a lot of the logistics part comes into it. We're trying to coordinate, and we're also trying to coordinate with chief carriers, basically, and coordinate with the end customer then on how many they're willing to take, how many we're able to get loaded in time for them to be able to take what they want, because they don't want to just take one load a day when it's a 20 load project. They want to probably take 4 or 5, and we're just trying to do exactly what our end customer wants us to do. I'm a really organized person, and I will say I'm one of the first ones here each morning, and I usually have a game plan for my guys before they get here, and I definitely have a game plan each morning at 7:30 when we start that 7:30 meeting. A lot goes into it, and I think that we've got a really good team in place, and I think that we're doing better than we have in years. I love my job. I really do love coming to work every day, and the job itself is enjoyable, but really the people here make it really fun. We're able to coordinate pretty well what exactly needs done for us to be able to keep loading each day, and then we're also talking about what's going to be going, say, the following week, or do we have any information on upcoming orders, any delays, anything like that. I really feel from the front door to the back door, from sales, the communication, our red sheet process, there's a lot of communication from the very beginning of it to the very end. I like a challenge, and sometimes when we are on a clock, and which happens quite often, especially when we just got done with harvest, we had that quite a bit, and was able to get through the shop in a very timely manner and out the door as soon as we can get it out. Go for it. I love my job. I love coming to work every day. I really enjoy the people and everything I do here. If you like a challenge, you like being able to get, for the logistics part of it, something from point A to point B as quickly as possible and as affordable as possible, it's fun to try and get that done.